Hi everyone, Katie here, and today we're on set with Ganni for Everybody.
Have you ever added something to your basket just to realise again that your size isn't right? At Ganni we get it, that's why we're relaunching our website with consistent sizing across the board, because great style should come with a great fit every time.
I'm proud to be a Ganni girl, and you can be too with Ganni's new campaign, Ganni for Everybody.
Hey guys, just so you know, Ganni isn't changing. We are just expanding our sizes so all you girlies can be involved in our Ganni community.